Give you free take
Good, you do this kind of thing, right? You wait.
Hey bro, I tell you, this place I reckon for 1 month already. The couple inside every day fight. I think they're going to divorce. So this is the best chance for us. Wow, look like ghosts.
Hey, anyway, we've been doing this for the past 5 years, and then we keep failing over and over and over again. Very tired lah, bro. This is the last time we at least don't go back empty-handed lah.
Okay, I tell you, this time confirm successful one. Because we are only here to steal a paper.
Huh? Simi sai paper check
No, this is not ordinary paper. This is an interior design. If someone hire me, then I hire you to steal it. I heard it's worth over $100,000 eh.
$100,000.
Steady bro.
Steady, bro.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Wait, let's see window.
Okay.
Open Shh.
Hey, brother. Shortcut lah.
Walao, you say earlier ma.
Use your brain lah. Go.
See? You sure it's this one no?
Yeah, I think so. Can you find me the fastest and best mover? Like, what I seriously don't want to wait like another day and stay here another day already. Like, just expedite this, please. I called before, right? Eh? You are the movers,
Yes.
Yeah.
Shouldn't you all like at least inform me before coming over or what? Why nobody at home? Y'all know what to move and what not to move, man?
Usually we don't inform one.
Oh, then please be careful and can you move this over there? Yeah, can you just do it, please?
Hey, who are you Movers.
Just
Move this
ignore
one
him.
in. Put down.
Just ignore him. Just move, please.
Move in.
Just move.
Move in. Hey, brother, sister, you can decide where you want to move, then tell us. We very tired.
I'm the one who made the appointment, right? I'm the one who made the call. So I'm the one who has the final say. Okay?
Hello, this phone I buy for you so technically I'm the one making the call.
Don't say this kind of thing lah. It's already over lah. Okay, this one last time you buy one, it's over. I can just buy your phone again. It's just a phone. Okay?
Hey, like this right? This watch, you buy for me during my birthday, right? $30,000. It's okay, I don't want. You, give you free take
Good, you do this kind of thing, right? You wait. See this? We spent how much on this, remember? 100K, right? This is our 3D interior design. Okay? You do this kind of thing, right? Good. You take it. You take this.
You don't have to try so hard to get the best interior design. Simply visit Renopedia to discover about the best home renovation deals without bursting your budget. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.